Okay, guys, good morning. So, this is one of the accounts that I am flipping. If you watched my previous videos, I said I am in the business of flipping small accounts. When I get this account to around $200 or $300, then I'm going to just close it and start all over again. I think people ask me, why do I do that, and why not just take the account to 5,000 or 10,000 or stuff like that. What I've seen the mistakes forex traders do is, sorry about that, is some people grow accounts from, say, $1,000, and they take it to $10,000, and they don't withdraw a cent. They don't withdraw anything. What happens when they get to 9,999? The account gets blown. I've seen it happen. I've seen it happen. So my advice to people is usually is to withdraw your profits as often as you can. Set up a routine. Some people, one of the guys that I learned from is every Friday. Every Friday, he withdraws. He takes some money out of his account and goes and spends it. That motivates you to want to come back and trade on the Monday, and it also makes sure that you are not just making money and then at the end of the day giving it back to the market. So it's a mistake that some people make. Some people are okay with it, some people are not. But what I've noticed is, yeah, when you make your money, set targets, set certain points where you are going to take out that money, because that money is not yours until you withdraw it. It's literally not yours. You see, this money, it's not mine until it's in my account, because anything can happen. So some people will try and get this account to 5,000, 2,000, or 3,000, and you find that when you're at 1,500 or when you're at 5,000, you blow the account. And what does it do on your psychology? What does it do on your motivation to continue to trade? So that's another tip that I had for you today. So consistently withdraw your money. The second tip that I've seen most traders, the second mistake that I've seen traders making. Let's see. Let's open this chart. Okay. So this is, I think this is the Danish krona versus the US. So you can tell where I got in slightly late. I usually get in at the tops there, but it's still fine. It's still fine. I'm in profit, and I'm looking at price to come to this level. I'm hoping price will come to this level and it will drop, but it's not a given. The market might come here and decide to shoot back. So as soon as I get out of bed, I am going to go to straight to my PC, and I'm going to start trailing these bad boys. So I'm going to start trailing them so that whatever happens, I get out of the market with profit. It's all about profit. I don't care what you say, but we are in this thing to make money. not to watch markets go up and down. So getting back to what I was explaining, here's the mistake that I've seen many people making when they are trading. You find that when people are in profit like I am here, the market will reverse, probably come here before it starts going down. When it comes back here, when it retraces here and it shows you that it's not going to pick up, that's an opportunity to enter more trades. If you ask people, they will call it pyramiding or staking or things like that. Many people just enter here and they leave it to go down to the take profit. That with that way, they are not going to realize the full profit potential of those trades. Here's the funny thing. If this trade was a buy, say this trade was a buy, I was hoping the market would go this way, but now it's going this way. Most people will be staking on this wrong trade. You find that many people stake on the wrong trade, on the losing trade, instead of staking on the profitable trade. So when you're trading, following your initial entry, wait for a retracement and enter again and enter again. At the end of the day, when price action reaches your TP, you probably have 20 or 30 positive trades instead of just 3. Instead of just having 2 or 3 entries there, if every time it retraces, you are entering. Here I'm in a sell. Every time if it retraces up to here and shows me that it's going down, I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell here. I'm targeting. That's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be watching it so that I can enter more sales to the downside. But if it shows me that it's going to go back up, then obviously my trailing stop is going to be hit. No hard feelings. So yeah, that's some of the things that I just wanted to share with you guys. Stop staking the losing trades. Don't stake on the losing trades. What you need to do is make sure that your winning trades, on the winning trades, that's where you kill it. Let's see what's happening here. Again, it's on the 4-hourly. So I entered late here, but let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. If when I get to the PC, I'm going to start trailing it, but my TP is set way down there. If it shows me here, that it's not interested in going up, what am I going to do? I'm going to stake it. I'm going to enter more trades here. I'm going to sell it here. So that's a simple trick that many people miss. Of course, you entered here, but don't just let the trades run without you maximizing on your profit. You need to maximize on this. When you're correct, make sure you maximize on your being correct. When you are wrong, well, get out of the market. Again, if I had been wrong here, you find that many people start staking on the wrong trade, which is a wrong approach. Okay, so I hope this helps you, and Enjoy your day. Bye.